Good morning. Ngayong umaga po ay gagawa tayo ng tortang talong. At inihanda na po natin para sa ating grill. I-grill po natin ang ating tortang talong. Iyan po ang ating ingredients sa ating gagawing tortang talong. Gagawa po tayo ng butter, 3 itlog, salt, pepper, ginger, garlic, and black pepper powder. Ipaghalo-halo lang po natin ito at gagawin po nating butter para sa ating tortang talong. Ayan po, tapos na po yung ating inihaw na talong, grilled aubergine or eggplant. Babalatan na po natin yan. We're trying to cool it off para hindi masyado mainit pagbalat. We also prepared our butter. Ayan po, we will dip our grilled talong dito sa butter and then ready for frying. Ayan po, everything is ready. Nabalatan na po natin ang ating aubergine or eggplant. Our butter is ready. Our pan is ready. Ayan na po ang ating tortang talong ready for prito, for frying. And with oil, ating frying pan. So that's it. We're frying our tortang talong. I'll give you an update later on. Ayan po. Binaliktad na natin ang ating tortang talong. In a few minutes, maluluto na po yung first batch. Ayan na po. Almost finished po ang ating tortang talong. Our second batch. Ayan na po ang unang talong natin. First batch na niluto nating tortang talong. Ayan na po. That's our tortang talong. We're done. And I hope pag nagluto kayo nito, you will enjoy your own tortang talong. Good day sa lahat.